Let's go ahead and do our second mini reading log book notebook. So we're going to go ahead and use in these sheets and we're going to cut them right now. But first we're going to go ahead and apply these sticker sheets on this chipboard. Let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide the sticker sheet and fold the edges right here and then go over it with the squeegee just so they apply nicely and then so they won't unstick. This is our front cover and we're going to go ahead and do the same with our back cover. We just align it, smooth it out, and then we're going to fold the edges right here. I'm also going to be applying a strip of white paper sticker right here and then just to hold the it won't peel off the sticker sheet. And there it is. So these are our front and back covers. These are our sheets that are going to go inside our notebook. And this is a reading log notebook. So what I do is I first cut in the center of the sheet. So that's going to be a 5.5. At 5.5, I'm going to cut it. Then if you noticed, I cut it into back again in the middle to right here. It's a 4.25. After that, I'm going to cut at 3 inches. So it's going to be a 3-inch by 5.5 mini notebook. So I have my sheets right here. I just arranged them, put them together. I have 4 designs. I made 4 designs. And then I'm just going to assemble it right here. And then we're going to go ahead and hole punch it or punch it with our binding machine. This is the binding machine that I use. And as you can see, I'm just sticking a little bit at a time because my machine does not, I could only do like about 6 sheets at a time. So it does take me a while depending on how many sheets I'm punching. And then later on I'll get a better machine. But for right now, I'm just using this one. And then so once I have them all punched right here, I'm just finishing up. I'm just going to go ahead and do my covers. So this is my sheets. And now let's go ahead and do the covers. And it's just the same process. Front and back cover. I put it together. And then I just go ahead and use my spiral binding. This is what I'll be using. And I do it manually. So here's my mini reading log notebook. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment, your like, and go ahead and follow. And we'll see you on our next video.